Good morning everyone. Today we start with chapter 6 algebraic expressions. So today we discuss question number 2, that is identify the terms. So firstly we have to identify the terms and their factors, or we have to identify the factors of terms of the following expressions. That expressions are given as a question, that 5 plus 6, and this is also expression. Show the terms and their factors through tree diagram, or we have to show these factors or terms with tree diagram method. Okay, now look at the first statement, y plus 6. So in solution, firstly write the expression and separate the terms y 6. So we can separate the terms with the help of tree diagram. Now it is the terms of the expression. We can leave it here because they are having no factors, or we can say that these are the same factors of these expressions, or we can write factors as y 1. So it means y multiplied by 1 gives value y. Or if we want to find the factor of 6, so 6 1, so 6 into 1 means 6. So it is solution. So if we want to write the solution of this, so first we have to write the expression, make the T diagram. So 2 4y and then y square. So now we have to write the factors of 2 1, 2 multiply 1 give 2, or we can leave it here also. Now we have to write the factors of 4y, 2 y, 2 to the 4, add into y, 4y, or we can simply write 4 into y. After that we have to write 4 factors. It's up to you which one method you have to use. It is a simply one method, then you have to use this method. Or we can write y square as y into y. We have to write y 2 times because y raised to power 2. When y raised to power 2 means we have to multiply y 2 times. So y are the factor of y square. So we show the factors through T diagram. Okay, now we have to discuss the another questions, that is, now we have to discuss third question, that identify the terms and their factors in the expression given below. Firstly, in above question they are mentioned the method, that is T diagram. In same question we are also identify the terms and their factors, but with tree diagram. Now in that question they are not mentioning the formula or method, so we can do it by simple way. So this is the first expression, 4p plus 6. So now first expression, 4p plus 6. So firstly we have to write the terms. Terms are 4p comma 6. Okay, now we have to write the factors. So firstly we have to write the factors of 4p. 4 comma p. We write the factors of 4p, that 4 comma p. Then we have to use semicolon. Semicolon means terminated. It means कि first वाले terms के factors complete हो चुके हैं, that's why we use semicolon. Now what is the factors of 6? 6 comma 1, because 6 ones are 6. 4 into p means 4p, that's why we use comma in between them. Okay, we just use semicolon between the terms, not after that terms. Clear? So it is the terms and it is the factors of that expression 4p plus 6. Now we have to discuss B question. We have to also express here terms and their factors with simple way. We can use any method because here not mention the method na. So I do by simple way. So firstly I have to write the terms 0.4 a square comma 0.9 b square. Now I have to write the factors of this. So 0.4 comma a square means a comma a because a square is there na. A square means we have to multiply a 2 times, so 2a are the, again means 2 times a is the factor of this term na. So term completed, that's why we have to use semicolon. 0.9 b square is there, so b comma b. So this is the way with that we write terms and factors of the expressions. I hope you got the answers. I hope you understand the topic that I taught you in that video. Thank you for watching it.